Assalamualaikum. In this video lecture, we will be discussing some words of vocabulary. So let's start. Our first word for today is urge. Urge means to encourage or persuade someone to do something or to feel a strong desire or impulse to do something. यानी ये कि किसी को जल्दी होना है, ठीक है, बहुत ज़्यादा किसी काम को करने की, तो उसको हम urge कहते हैं. I urge you to study hard for your exams and do well. Synonyms basically includes promote, spur, motivate, inspire, instigate, and press. And antonyms basically includes discourage, dissuade, deter, inhibit, restrain, and suppress. Then it's unburdened. The word unburdened means to be free from a burden or to relieve oneself of a burden. Example includes after talking to her friend, she felt unburdened and unrelieved. यानी है कि जिसके ऊपर किसी किस्म का बोझ ना हो. Synonyms includes relieved, liberated, unencumbered, unhampered, unimpeded, unobstructed, and antonyms includes burdened, encumbered, hampered, impeded, obstructed, and hindered. Next word is unprovoked. Unprovoked basically means something that happens without any justification or provocation. Example includes the unprovoked attack on the innocent bystander was shocking and unexpected. So basically, synonyms include unjustified, unwarranted, uncalled, groundless, baseless, and antonyms includes justified, warranted, provoked, reasonable, legitimate, and justified. Next word is venture. The word venture can be defined as an undertaking or a risky project that involves uncertainty. ठीक है? तो किसी किस्म का भी risk वाली जो factor वाली चीज होती है उसके लिए आप use कर सकते हैं. Starting a new business is a venture that requires a careful planning and research. Synonyms basically includes enterprising, gamble, risk, endeavor, undertaking, and speculations. And antonyms basically includes certainty, safety, caution, hesitation, indecision, and reluctance. Then it's vulnerable. Vulnerable basically refers to someone or something that is susceptible to harm or injury. The company's weak security system made it vulnerable to cyber attacks. Synonyms include exposed, defenseless, helpless, unprotected, open, and susceptible. And antonyms includes protected, invulnerable, secure, safe, strong, and fortified. Next word is whip. Whip basically means to move or carry something or someone quickly and forcefully. जब आप किसी को मारते हैं तो आप उसको भी whip के sense में ले सकते हैं. The wind whipped through the trees, making them sway back and forth. Synonyms includes whisk, fling, toss, hurl, propel, and fling. And antonyms includes crawl, creep, plod, trudge, saunter, and amble. So last word for today is weighing up. Weighing up basically is an idiom that means to consider carefully or evaluate the pros and cons of a situation before making a decision. Example includes before buying a car, it's important to spend some time weighing up the different options available. Synonyms includes evaluating, assessing, appraising, considering, analyzing, and antonyms includes disregarding, ignoring, overlooking, neglecting, rejecting, and abandoning. This is all for today. Thank you so much.